Okay, guys, we're at Home Depot, and today I picked up the greenhouse kit. Okay, we got some hot peppers, basil, garden beans, cucumbers, watermelon, pumpkin, 3 different tomatoes, and sunflower. Okay, we got the rake, we got a shovel, this for the weed whacker.
Push it myself. Mama, sorry for.
I don't like this, but I want to try this.
Ew, cottage cheese.
Like the cottage cheese.
No edges today, guys. I mean, no baby hairs. I mean, I got edges, but no baby hairs today, guys. Why is the Gordon Ramsay meal so expensive, you guys? They have shepherd's pie, slow roasted beef, and they have a lasagna. And look how much it is, $12.56. You guys, they have Flavor Town. They have the macaroni and cheese, beef taco pasta. What is this? Cheesesteak bowl, buffalo chicken, pepperoni lasagna, chicken enchilada, cheesy lasagna, and chili cheese dog. And it's $6.24. Okay, and one. That looks nice, black and yellow. They got a red and black one. Okay, and one. Stepping your game up. Clearance rack. Look at that, clearance.
How much is that one?
All the sweaters are on sale.
Embrace the lifestyle.
$3. St. Patrick's Day things on sale. I just got the baby one of those.
Like 6 in the AM, bitches be playing, I just be waiting. I really wanted true love, she was faking. Now I'm lonely in the house from
All the Takis for everyone. Look how good my man got the grass out here.